Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. We have discussed in previous video while loop. Now we will discuss again logical, that is called logical operators. So through this video we will discuss logical operators and what is the importance of logical operators behind the Python programming. So this slide is an instructional slide about logic in programming, specifically in Python, focusing on relational and logical operators. So here a detailed breakdown. First, we are talking about relational operators. What is relational operator? These are used to compare two values. The result is always either true or false, as you can see in this slide. We are talking about operator meaning examples and results. So operator meaning example results like equals to, that is 1 plus 1, equal double sign equals to 2, that is condition true. Again explanation sign, that is equal to does not equals. We have seen 3.2 explanation sign is equal to 2.5. The result will be true. As we are discussing again less than, greater than, less than or equal to, or greater than with equals to sign. So it may be true or false. So these operators are used in conditions like if statement or loops. So on the other end, logical expression or logical operators that can be combined with logical operators and, or, and not. There are three operators. Example, we have written something in terms of mathematical values. So you can see 2 double sign equals to 3, that is minus 1 less than 5. That condition will be true. So the actual explanation about this slide, the returns true only if both expressions are true. Returns true if at least one expression is true, or not. Not means reverse the result of the logical expression, that is true becomes false and vice versa. To use the case value x is equal to 5 and then print x is a positive number less than 10. So the usage of relational operators will help to create some kind of operations, some kind of things. Now we are discussing exercise. You can try yourself, write code to display and count the factors of a number through the logical operators. And again, the next slide will be discussed about the loop control statement. So this slide explains loop control statement in Python. These statements are used inside loop, that is for and while loop, to alter the flow of execution. Here, detailed explanation, break statement. The actual purpose of break statement, it exits the loop immediately even if the loop condition is still true. Use case when we want to stop the loop based on a condition. So for example, for I in range 5, then we can use break statement with the help of break and other things print, that is denoted by the I value. Another loop statement, continue loop. The purpose of continue loop is generally skip current iteration and move to the next iteration of the loop. So when we want to skip certain values or conditions. And at last, we are talking about pass statement. It does nothing, empty statement, placeholder. It means does nothing used as a placeholder where a statement is generally required. And when we are writing some code structure and want to skip implementation temporarily. So this is the explanation of loop control statement. So it pass lets the code run without interruption. So we are summarizing this video, that is statement what it does. When to use break exit the loop completely to stop loop execution early. So continue skip current iteration, continue loop to skip unwanted values, and pass does nothing placeholder to fill empty block during code design. So I hope you're understanding. You're just all concepts are very clear. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel too. Thanks for watching.